Hello everyone, it's Armand, VAG Spec Klerksdorp, and today we have the Golf 7 GTI in. So we replaced the water pump, and now we will bleed the water system. The reason for doing this is to prevent engine damage and to prevent your vehicle from overheating. So let's get started. So now we are taking out all the air out of the system. So when it gets to the yellow part, then you know all your air is out. As you can see, all the air is out of the system. So let's get the fluid to the level it's supposed to be. So now we are putting in more water, and it needs to be at a 0. Then you know it's at the right level. Okay, so now you can see all the air is out and the fluid level is correctly. Thank you to all our clients, and I hope you enjoyed the small educational video.